Hey, Damien here for Automotive Superstore. Never get stranded with a dead battery again thanks to the M81, GX150 and GX400 lithium-ion jumper packs. They're hugely powerful, but bargain price. Let's check them out. Let's start with the GX150. It's the smaller of the two, but still suitable for petrol vehicles up to 6 litres or diesel vehicles up to 4 litres. The battery inside is 12,800 milliamp hour, and that means you get 1,500 amps of peak current or 500 amps of continuous current for starting. Then there's the GX400. Now this one's suitable for petrol vehicles up to 10 litres or diesel vehicles up to 8 litres. The internal battery is 20,000 milliamp hour, and that gives you 4,000 amps of peak current or 850 amps of continuous current for starting. Now both of these packs have a nice clear LED display on the front panel telling you the status of the charge of the battery inside. When they're fully charged, they'll each give you up to 35 starts per pack, and they'll last for 6 months without needing recharging. The GX150 has a single USB connection for charging devices like your phones and smart tablets and stuff like that, whereas the GX400 has 2 connections. The GX400 also has wireless charging from the panel on the front, so you can just put your phone on top and it'll charge it straight away. Each model comes with this fly lead here. It's got an LED display on it. Without the pack connected, if you connect this to a battery, it will actually tell you the status of the charge of that battery on the LED display. And both of these units also have a torch built in, and that has 3 different modes. It's got normal light mode for when you're illuminating at night time or just to use as a workshop light whenever you want to. It's also got a hazard mode and an SOS mode. Now besides the hard case that comes in each of these, you also get a soft bag that they'll fit into, and that takes up about half the space of the hard case, so it'll fit happily inside your glove box or under a seat somewhere, ready for an emergency. You also get an owner's manual and some USB cables, and these will charge off any USB charger you've got around the home. If you want to get a smoking deal on one of these, there'll be a link down below. While you're here, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.